Hello, it's Big Chads. This is the Trading Encyclopedia Daily Education playlist on my YouTube at Chads Trading. Find me on Twitter at Big Chads and Bitcoin Live, where I'm a founding analyst. For today's lesson, we're going to talk about Doji. What are Doji? We've seen them before many times, and there are some discrepancies. What's a spinning top? What's a Doji? Well, in theory, a Doji should be a candle body that is flat. You should have really no body, open and close at the exact same spot. Here's an example of a dragonfly doji. It's a long lower shadow doji. It's a bullet doji. Gravestone doji, long upper shadowed. That is bearish. Long leg doji, long upper and lower shadow. And here's just an example of a regular doji. Here's from just the AI, the types of doji, long leg, neutral. Four price doji is something that technically exists, but you're really never going to see it in a market that's actively traded. Four price doji basically just means it's a flat line. It either went up or down. It traded the whole time essentially at the same price. That's a four price doji. Now, what is more than one doji in a row? That's also called doji. So for example, here we have multiple doji. These are both doji, and these are spinning tops. Why is it a spinning top? A spinning top is when it has a small real candle body. A doji can have up to 5% of the candle body length as a body. So you can have, in theory, a very small body and still qualify as a doji. Now, people tend to use the terms doji and spinning top somewhat interchangeably. These are spinning top. This is a doji. This is a doji, but you could also call it a spinning top. So if it's close to one or the two, you can use either term, but technically a doji should be none to very small real candle body. You often see, and you want to think about the context of the doji, where it comes in the channel. So if you have a strong price advance, and then you have the doji, it shows that this trend is weakened. It shows that the prior trend has weakened. We saw that here with the tower top on Ethereum, the price advance, and then all these doji sideways or these small bodies. This set up a tower top. There's also a candle body pattern called tri-star doji, advance, and then three doji in a row, and then it continues down. I'll cover that in another video. But a doji is a small real candle body. It is essentially an indecision candle. You want to think about where it comes in the channel. You can have a gravestone doji, a dragonfly doji, a long leg doji, or just a regular doji. Sometimes confused with a spinning top, but a spinning top has a bigger body, should have a much larger body than what you are referring to as a doji. And the biggest difference really is that doji shows an even further slowdown of momentum. So if I had a big body into a spinning top, it's more bearish to have a big body into a doji. It shows an even further reduction of the force that came before that. So this is a lesson on doji for the Trading Encyclopedia Daily Education playlist on my YouTube at Chads Trading. Find me on Twitter at Big Chads and Bitcoin Live, where I'm a founding analyst. Thank you. Appreciate you folks, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care.